everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Android phone. So if you are stuck or something like that and you want to restart the phone, just hold down the power button and the volume down key and that'll reset it. Now if we want to hard reset it, I'm just going to hold down the power button and then I'm going to open up the power options and I'm going to go to power off right here. Now, if you have like a Samsung Galaxy or something, you're going to also have to hold down the Bixby button. But if you just have a normal Android phone with the volume up, down, and power button, when your phone is turned off, just hold down the power button and the volume up key. So let's do that now. And then continue to hold it down until the name of the phone goes away. And then we can release. So I can see the Honor name on my screen. So when that goes away, yours could be like Samsung or something like that. And I'm just going to wait until it goes away and then let go of those buttons. And then you can operate the menu with the volume up and down key. And here is, I'm using Magic OS on my Android 14. So I'm going to press volume up or down. And then I want to go to where it says clear data. And that will factory reset my phone. And it would be like I just bought it and I'll have to type in all my information again. Otherwise, you can go to safe mode or update from here or restart. So just hit the power key right here to select it, and boom, it'll do whatever option you pick. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.